This is Brad from PedalPowerGenerator.com. Today I'm going to be doing a workout trying to see how much energy I can put out into boiling a pot of water. It's going to be 3 cups of water in a 12-volt coffee pot, and we're looking at displays here that have volts, amps, watts, and temperature of the upspout in the coffee pot where the water is boiling and percolating up a tube, and we'll be monitoring that percolation information right here and recording it to a data logger, a WattsVIEW data logger. So let's get started. Alright, the setup here is a SPG-300. That's a stationary exercise bike, up to 300 watt generator. This is the output of the generator right here. Plug into that. It puts out 0 to 40 volts DC, and it uses a bolt-on rolling generator onto this exercise bike. The other end will go into what we call the WattsVIEW power monitor. Put the power into the box like that. On the other side it has a USB connector to your computer, and when you install the software, that software starts to record the data. Here's the power that powers up the sensor. It's about 12 volts and about half a watt of energy. So the energy is flowing from your body to the pedals, to the roller, to the generator, out this wire into the WattsVIEW power monitor. It's going to come out right here, and we're going to go into this coffee pot here. It's a 12 volt RV coffee pot from Amazon. It costs $80. I cut the end off and I put on the speak-on connector here. It's got a 30 amp fuse. So we're just going to plug this in right here. Okay, we're measuring temperature right now on the coffee pot boiler tube. So we have this wire going to a data acquisition box here where it's measuring the response from an resistive thermal device. It's pushed into this little sleeve right here, so the water actually starts boiling down here, comes up the tube, and then it comes out of here, drops into the top of the coffee pot where you have your coffee. And it's a good way to boil water and kill bacteria if you're worried about giardia, or if you're one of those prepper people that want to prepare for boiling your water. This might be a way you can do it. And then here we have the WattsVIEW software running on the laptop. So that's the setup. Okay, just doing a quick test here. You can see that I'm getting voltage. I got an amp there for a second, and made 4 watts. You gotta have the sweat towel, especially when you're my weight. Alrighty, and let's start boiling. Right here, the little light on the coffee maker is starting to glow when it sees voltage. That was 30 minutes of work, averaging about 90 watts during the whole time. So, alright, let's take a look at that hot water right now. Looks like we were saying, about 1 cup of water right there, a little bit more than 1 cup of water in this coffee maker. The next thing is to look at the data in the log files to see how much energy came from this body through the wire into the coffee pot heater